So I have just a little bit of a priority dilemma, I guess you would call it, at the moment. There's three things that are pressing in terms of projects. One of them is for a customer who wants this pull strap wallet in purple. The other is a prototype of this new design that's gonna be a small, simple zip wallet that I'm really excited about and creatively jazzed. The other is to make a classic bifold with this new leather that I got called Gaucho Oil. It's a veg tan from Italy, and this leather looks so delicious, and I can't wait to just sink my teeth into it. I'm not gonna eat it. I know that's what it just sounded like, but anyway. The customer, I said I would deliver this on Sunday, so I'm okay prioritizing that for a couple days. As much as that Gaucho oil looks incredible, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with this zip wallet, because I'm really excited to make this to see, one, how fast I can make it, and two, how well the design turns out. So let's do that. And there's our template. Alright, it's actually been a while since I've done a zipper, so it might take me a minute to remember the steps. Okay. I'm going to do something I don't normally do. I'm going to burnish the edges before I sew it, and I'll show you why after I'm done stitching. Save it, don't get rid of it. So the reason I burnished ahead of time was because I wanted to do this little loop around stitch to really reinforce a little bit of thread there, to really reinforce the strength of this edge. So I didn't want to have to burnish over the thread, so I burnished first and then did the wraparound thread. Let's give it a whirl. So there it is with 2 cards. And a little bit of cash in there. What I want to be able to do is to squeeze this and have this open a little bit more. So that's one consideration. Let's try putting 4 cards in here. What I figured. With 4 cards in there, it's incredibly tight, snug. Now I know that this is leather that will loosen up a little bit over time, but my initial gut instinct is this needs to be wider by maybe about 1 centimeter. And there's 3 reasons why I think that, okay? 1, there's not enough, see how close, there's not enough real estate here on the edge for me to properly glue this shut, and it would be nice if this stitch could go all the way to the top. So another 1/2 centimeter out here would help take care of that. 2, making it 1/2 centimeter on each side wider would allow these cards to fit a lot easier. It's not that they don't fit nice, it's that I question how easy it is to get them in and out every time. And number 3, having it wider would allow me to squeeze this more to be able to access whatever's inside this pouch. This is a very narrow little pouch right here. In terms of the look of this design, I actually really love it. I love having the rounded bottom there. These are much larger curved knife cuts than I normally use, but I actually really like it. It's tricky to kind of get the leather to sit perfectly straight, and there's also just a little bit, I don't know if you can see this, I'm trying to get in focus. There's a little bit of negative space between this bottom layer of leather and the rest of the piece. So from that standpoint, I don't know if it's better to do this sort of loop under leather or just a straight cut of leather. So I think I'm really close to being on the verge of something cool here. I don't think this is the one. This will end up being a nice gift for somebody, like my sister or my wife if she wants one. So I think this is close, but not quite the one. But it was very fun to make this experiment. I haven't done a zipper in a little while, so it's nice to kind of dust off my zipper skills. Yeah, and thanks for coming on the journey. Let me know what you think of this and the thoughts. What do you think would help improve this design? What do you like about this? What do you think is challenging about this? And would this look better with a black zipper? I don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe. Talk soon.